हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू गाइस आर फाइन। और आज है मदर्स डे, तो सबसे पहले हमने मदर्स डे का केक प्रिपेयर किया, मैंने और सिफत ने, मेरी बहन ने मिलके। फिर हम गए शॉपिंग करने बिकॉज वी नीडेड गिफ्ट्स, तो हम गए के मॉल। सबसे पहले मेरे को भी फाउंडेशन चाहिए था, वाज आउट ऑफ इट, सो पहले हम गए थे मेबेलिन के स्टोर पे, सो none of it worked out. फिर हम गए नायका, सिफत tried a blush, she was looking really pretty in that, so she got that blush. Now we are here at Nykaa and we got one foundation, 3-4 lipsticks because it's Mother's Day, so we need to get tons of gifts. She looks so pretty. She looks so pretty. Got our gifts from Nykaa और फिर हम गए खाना खाने ऊपर because we were like so hungry.
We got the food, papdi chaat, noodles, Manchurian, dosa, cold coffee, and a baddie. Our friend, we are here at Lifestyle to buy some more gifts to window shop. Why are you laughing? What are you laughing at?
एंड देन वी सॉ दिस वेंडिंग मशीन। आप इस पे अपना डिज़ाइन चूज़ करके कॉटन कैंडी बना सकते हो। हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं, सो वी ऑफ कोर्स वी गॉट दिस एंड इट वाज नॉट टेस्टी, आई मीन इट वाज टेस्टी बट इट वाज लाइक रियली प्रिटी। Then we went to Miniso and saw everything, but the only thing we could afford was to leave. So after seeing a lot of stuff, we left. फिर हमने ऑटो लिया और फिर हम दूसरे मॉल गए, बट उस मॉल में ज़्यादा शॉप्स नहीं है। एंड ऑल्सो माई मॉम वॉज कॉलिंग कि घर आ जाओ बेटा, घर आ जाओ। सो वी वेंट टू ज़ूडियो, गॉट सम स्टफ, एंड देन रास्ते में मैं और मेरी बहन लड़ाई कर We'll give you a quick haul, guys. Sifat got this lotion and this shower gel and this lip gloss and this lipstick, and then I got these baby wipes, I don't know, baby wipes, cotton pads, and this cami top, and then this, and then these Zudio earrings, and then my foundation and this lipstick for my mom. Then we quickly frosted the cake. This was a mango cake because both of our moms love mango cake. And then this was the cake, how it turned out. It looked really bad. फिर हम फटाफट गए flower shop पे, and it was so busy there. Yellow bouquet was for my mom, and then pink bouquet was for Sifat's mom. And then we quickly wrote down the cards and gave them all the wishes. This is us, the gang. Yes, guys, please cooperate. This video was made by my dad, so that's why this clip is bad. But anyways, both of our moms were really happy to see the celebration and the surprise. That's Sifat's mom, so cute, and that's my mom, so cute, and all of them were so happy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.